Alright, we are at a place called Wok. It's a hot spring, so we're shivering now. We changed out from our pants into shorts. I mean, I think Vijay was always in shorts, so let's see. This place looks really interesting though. That's the parking lot, and that right there is the entrance. Look at how it's set up. Amazing. Look at the view around it. Amazing. At the sky above. Amazing.
One, it's too much. but in general, you know.
How many hours in the car do you want?
Sorry?
Ooh, nice. Today's episode of You Can Try But You Can't Outsmart Me. Bijoy tried to take my walk band, but then I got one with the logo anyway. Sure, I'll have a beer. Your treat?
Yes, happy birthday treat.
Oh, it's my birthday only in India though.
Yeah, that's why.
And in Vietnam, and in Thailand.
And in Philippines.
And in Philippines.
Slippery.
Oh, damn. Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Happy birthday, India time.
Thank you. Happy birthday, India time.
I'm already scared.
My body would go into shock and I would never recover. Wow, you're good. Come on, sir. Jesus Christ, help me. I will know. Why am I saying? I'm not religious.
You can do it.
Quick. Go quick. Go.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. How did you get your free drinks, free beverages? What do I tell them?
No, it's okay. You just take it.
Can I take 2 cups?
No, you put the cup back.
I'm just gonna zoom in on Ashwini's face.
Try the blue.
So the bacon is over.
No, not
I'll take a bite as well.
Yeah.
I'll cut it in half. Having chai in Iceland. Ooh.
Oh, that was the right.
Damn. Missed a turn.
After the bridge, take a U-turn. Otherwise, I get.
And this is the campsite for tonight. That's both of our motorhomes. I'm gonna pull my swim clothes out, put them to dry. I mean, I didn't go for a swim, but you know, what else do you wear to a hot spring but your swim clothes? Genki desu. Cheers. Well, this is my birthday vlog. Excuse my hair, it's drying after the hot spring. But I know this is going to be in the middle of all of the Iceland travel, but I will keep these clips separate to them just to show you how I spent my birthday. This one day. Ramen Coke. It's 10 p.m. Dinner's being cooked. What a great experience to be able to spend it in Iceland. Dinner done, brushed my teeth, cleaned up my stubble a little bit, looking a little bit fresh. I mean, it's my birthday. I gotta keep a fresh outfit too. Speaking of it, maybe I'll wear something that I picked up in Amsterdam during the trip. Huh. Is that childish? Wanting to wear a new outfit on your birthday? Let me know in the comments. Excuse my appearance, but it's cold. I just gotten up from sleeping in a van, so you'll understand. Birthday morning, 9th of July. It's what, 8 a.m. and the view is that. Birthday coffee. Cheers, Manoj.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. In Iceland. And off we go.
He filled up, huh? Again or?
He filled again, yeah. He re-tapped his card. Tricky road to be on, no? I think Manoj can operate his own food truck now. Making sandwiches in a moving vehicle. Thanks, Manoj. To see some puffins, but as you can tell right now, I'm huffing and puffing. And now a quick stop for some cafe latte. Hello. Hello. Thank you, thank you. Don't even know where we are, but we are walking towards this. What is this, dude? A geyser? Thermal something. Man, this is so embarrassing. Don't even know where. What?
Oh wow! Look at this water.
So we're now on our way to a
There's no lava in this.
inactive. Yeah, Vijay was like, imagine there's hot lava, you can do a nice shoot over the picture. I'm like, you think it will be open to public? All the way up. It's a 4-kilometer hike. We're gonna do it on our own. No gear, nothing.
No phones.
No poles. Just like a regular jacket with shorts and sneakers. Out of breath, lower back killing me. Well, we made it to the top of the volcano. There it is. Little did you know the camera was always pointed towards me.
I'm so sorry.
Don't have to be, because they bought me a beer, so you're forgiven.
Today is the birthday of Alan. He's turning 40.
Thank Alright, at our third destination. No, not third. Last destination for today, Gullfoss, which is the god of falls. A massive waterfall. Everybody's like fully kitted out, as you can see. The sun is shining, but it's cold and windy. Bam! Windows XP wallpaper. There it is. And that's the last stop for today. Gonna drive back to the campsite, shower, dinner, and bounce. No, actually go to sleep. And that is probably the end of my birthday vlog. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And since you're already a subscriber, give this video a thumbs up and what's that word? And drop a happy birthday in the comments, will ya? Isn't Claudius like a Roman emperor?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, so it's I think a Rome. Yeah, so then yeah. I guess your argument stands.
Maybe channel Claudius kicked.
Claudius kicks. Still got my sunnies on. Finally seeing some architecture and building because we've been on the road all this while. Oh man, actually it is cold, but unless you're in the sun, I guess. Quick supermarket stop before we go back to the campsite. Look at me shopping for my own birthday cake. Which one shall I get? Maybe this one. You did? Which one? Oh, yeah. Yeah, you wanted to eat that yourself. That's sad.
Okay, buy this one.
I was thinking about this one. I don't know what this is.
It's the same, similar.
Gonna use Google Translate. What's that thing? Draw cake with Smarties ice cream. So that's gonna be my birthday cake. Sorry, there's people around, so I don't want to be a nuisance. We're gonna get this to slice for my birthday. What is that, dude? Slow cooked ribs. You'll get it or what? Alright, birthday cake secured. I think I also want a beverage, so maybe the cream soda. Alright, camp for tonight. Sister Gill, or however you pronounce it. Huh?
The guy walking over was one of you guys.
Wow. Pork, pasta, chicken, spicy sauce, sauce bahu. Thanks for this delicious meal before we sit down to eat. Nobody got me a cake. Can you believe that?
It's
Sad
in
story.
the bag.
Take this one. No, take that.
What do you call in the?
I have some chicken ones. Just change that. We should let close.
Yeah, just wash up and.
So, this is the end of my birthday vlog, and sadly, I did not get any cake. Just having my drink. No cake. Alone in this corner. That's the echo.
Happy birthday
Oh my gosh.
to you.
What? Really? You guys?
Birthday to you.
Really? No way.
Happy
No, you guys really got me a cake?
Happy
my gosh.
birthday to you.
Yeah.
What?
Already
Was
regretting.
that? No.
You want to show it?
I am going to
Yeah.
feed the most important person first.
I don't like chocolate. We'd rather get the other cake.
Now you can stop recording the insults.
Oh no.
Oh my god, he has a huge one for his rose. Hey, Neil.
It's about 1 a.m. now. Just finished taking my shower. Last campsite. Tomorrow we'll be going to Reykjavik. It's gonna be a 6-hour drive, I guess. Drop off the camper vans, check into the hotel, and pick up the rental cars that we'll be using for the next 4 days.